The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. For all citizens living in a 100-mile radius of Los Angeles, take shelter immediately. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration has detected a strange object falling down near the Earth. It is predicted that it will land near the city of Los Angeles in about 30 minutes. Make sure you take shelter immediately, since it is unknown if the object is something like an asteroid, or if it has carried something that could carry dangerous objects such as explosives.